Hello everyone. If you are looking for natural solution for cough and cold relief, look no further. Introducing Nazobuddy Cough and Cold Balm, an Ayush approved Ayurvedic solution for age 3 months and up. Crafted with 6 essential oils: dill, coriander, chamomile, lavender, eucalyptus and patchouli. Each oil is a pure distilled plant extract. No artificial fragrances, dyes, menthol or camphor. Just pure soothing relief. For a peaceful night's sleep, apply on the chest, neck, or the bottom of feet for babies. It's perfect for whole family. Even adult can use this. Experience natural comfort with Nazobuddy Cough and Cold Balm. Safe, effective, and gentle for everyone. Nazobuddy Cough and Cold Balm, pure relief naturally.